my friends, and welcome to Tony's Bits on the Side. This is a little spin-off mini-series that will be running alongside my main channel, Tony's Comfort Kitchen, where I'll be doing, basically these are short videos where I will be cooking side dishes or prepping ingredients for other meals. Anything that's too short really to warrant a proper video on the regular Tony's Comfort Kitchen. And this is the first video, so we'll crack on with it. So today I'm doing broad beans with chorizo. As you can see, I've sliced up the chorizo already, and I've taken the skin off. You don't have to, but I just prefer it like that. We have 250 grams of broad beans, which are straight from the freezer, the frozen beans. I think it's about 85 grams of chorizo. Other than that, we have some olive oil to cook it with and water to boil the beans in, and that is it. Right, the beans are almost cooked. Take them off the heat and drain them. Right, so on a medium heat, we will cook the chorizo. Now they'll start to release their oil and the colour, which is just fantastic. Let's turn them over. They cook very quickly, and obviously they're already cooked. Well, cooked, they're already cured. Now we will add the beans. Salt. Heat the beans through, get them to soak up a lot of those the oil that's come out of the chorizo, as well as the olive oil that was in there in the first place. And job's a good one. That, my friends, is the final dish. That's good enough for two people, I would say, as a side dish. You can serve it with crusty bread, you can serve it with whatever you want. And believe me, if you don't like broad beans, try this, because it'll convert you. It's fantastic. Enjoy this dish, and I will see you in the next video. And until then, peace and love, my friends. Peace and love.